How fast is SpaceX's satellite internet? We now have a beta test. Now, it was really optimistic early days, and some of the language coming out of Elon talking about a gigabit. Now, you had to know that was kind of extreme. You had to know, hey, man, gigabit from space? I don't know. Well, anyway, they got a couple speed tests popped up on Ookla's speed test website. They're the guys when it comes to speed tests. I probably ran 1,000 speed tests, these guys. Yes. Maybe more. Maybe 10,000 in my years. Yeah. Anyways, the numbers didn't shake out that well. It was from 11 megabits per second to 60 megabits per second. Upload speeds were lower than download speeds. The tests took place in Los Angeles, California, and Seattle, Washington. And PC Mag reached out to Ookla to see if these were authentic tests, to which they said yes. They believe that these are authentic. SpaceX has currently only launched 600 satellites. So, of course, they intend on expanding that. And they're not publicly stating these figures. They're still working on it. So, not to say that these can't improve, but I'm saying 60 megabits down on satellite. I've been in spotty locations. I've been in rural locations. You can have some nasty slow internet. So, if we're up in space, Will, and I can catch 60, I'm still interested.
Yeah, you can definitely stream Netflix.
I was up there in cottage country, man. I was dying. I had nothing. Maybe I should have had nothing. Maybe I wanted to have nothing.
Yeah.
But if I had to live up there and do the Zooms and all the rest of it,
it's tough.
I'd be saying I need a little bit more connectivity. And of course, space and satellites could allow for that. So even though it's not the gigabit yet, and hopefully they can get closer to that, 60 is not nothing for some people in some regions. I'll tell you what, globally.
Yes.
So shout out to space-based internet, even if it comes with the pollution, the what was it? The astronomy photographers.
Yeah.
We're not happy about the satellites. They got to put the shades on it. We talked about it. We've got a clip. Go look for the clip. I explained it.